everyone, I'm Lucy. Welcome to Lucy English Academy. Let's learn English the easy and fun way.
Every morning I wake up at 7 a.m. I do not jump out of bed quickly. I take a deep breath and sit quietly for a few minutes. I used to start my day by checking my phone. I would scroll through social media, read random messages, and waste almost 30 minutes. Then I felt stressed before the day even started. Now, I do something different. I try to start my morning slowly and clearly. This small change helps me stay productive. Today, I want to talk about how I stay productive in my daily life. I will use slow and clear English, so you can listen and practice with me. First, I make my bed. It sounds very simple, but it is important. When I make my bed, I complete one small task. It gives me a feeling of success. It tells my brain, the day has started. You are ready. Small actions can change your mindset. If you complete one task, you feel more confident to complete the next task. After that, I drink a glass of water. Drinking water in the morning makes me feel fresh and awake. Then I write 3 simple goals for the day. Not 10 goals, not 20, only 3. For example, today my goals are finish 1 lesson, exercise for 20 minutes, and read 10 pages of a book. When I choose only 3 goals, I feel calm. Too many goals can make us feel overwhelmed. When we feel overwhelmed, we do nothing. This is my first productivity rule. Keep your goals small and clear. Next, I start my most important task in the morning. My energy is stronger in the morning, so I use that time for difficult work. Sometimes it is studying, sometimes it is writing, sometimes it is learning something new. I turn off notifications on my phone. I put my phone away from my desk. When my phone is near me, I want to check it. When it is far away, I can focus better. I usually work for about 25 minutes. Then I take a short break for 5 minutes. During the break, I stand up, stretch my body, or walk around my room. This method helps me stay focused. If I try to work for 2 or 3 hours without a break, I feel tired and distracted. Short breaks give my brain time to rest. This is my second productivity rule. Work in short, focused time blocks. At lunchtime, I try not to watch too many videos. Sometimes I listen to soft music or a podcast. If I watch too much content, my brain feels full and tired. I also try to eat simple and healthy food. When I eat too much fast food, I feel sleepy. When I eat light food, I feel more active. In the afternoon, my energy is usually lower. So I do easier tasks. I answer messages, I clean my desk, I organize my notes. I do not plan very difficult work for this time. I understand my body and my energy. This is important. Productivity is not about working all the time. It is about working smart. Sometimes I feel lazy. Sometimes I do not want to do anything. On those days, I tell myself, just start for 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. Usually after 5 minutes, I continue. Starting is the hardest part. When I begin, the work becomes easier. In the evening, I review my day. I look at my 3 goals. Did I complete them? If yes, I feel proud. If not, I ask myself why. Was I distracted? Was I tired? I do not blame myself. I try to understand and improve. Being productive does not mean being perfect. It means trying to improve little by little. Before I sleep, I prepare for the next day. I choose my clothes. I clean my desk. I write my 3 goals for tomorrow. When I wake up, everything is ready. This saves time and reduces stress. There is one more important thing. I rest. I sleep for about 7 or 8 hours. When I sleep well, I think clearly. When I am tired, I cannot focus. Many people think productivity means sleeping less and working more. For me, productivity means having balance. So, how do I stay productive? I start my day slowly. I set only 3 clear goals. I work in short time blocks. I reduce distractions. I understand my energy, I review my progress, and I rest. You do not need to change your whole life today. You can start with one small habit. Maybe tomorrow morning, you can make your bed. Maybe you can write one goal. Small steps can create big results over time. Thank you for listening to my slow and clear English story. You can listen again and repeat the sentences to practice your speaking. Remember, productivity is not about being busy. It is about using your time with purpose. And you can start anytime, even today.